Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.66. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase is likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from -3% to 43%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 42%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 25% and 306% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $12.23 and $39.71. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for SoundHound AI Incorporated as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate." The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price decreased by 2.3% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, falling from $10.02 to $9.79. During that day, the stock fluctuated 3.89%, with a low of $9.76 and a high of $10.14. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 11.96% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume typically follows price movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 24 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $232,810,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the stock price stands 60.81%, or $15.19, below the 52-week high of $24.98. Which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, is currently in the spotlight as Bregar Eagle & Squire, a law firm, investigates potential claims against the company on behalf of long-term stockholders. This investigation stems from a class action complaint originally filed in March 2025, raising concerns about possible fiduciary breaches by SoundHound's board. In the short term, this could create volatility in the stock, as investor sentiment fluctuates amid uncertainty. However, despite recent challenges, SoundHound is gaining attention for its potential growth in the booming artificial intelligence sector. With a market capitalization below $4 billion, analysts believe the company has significant upside if it continues to resonate with clients. Recent articles have even highlighted SoundHound as a strong contender among AI stocks, particularly with its innovative voice recognition technology, which could capitalize on a projected $35 billion annual revenue opportunity in in-car voice commerce. Investors may view the current price dip, nearly 60% from its December high, as an attractive entry point for long-term gains, especially in light of the continued growth expected in artificial intelligence. Although the short-term landscape appears uncertain due to legal inquiries, the long-term outlook remains cautiously optimistic, with many analysts viewing SoundHound as a potentially lucrative investment in the evolving tech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a rating of underperform, along with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Wedbush gave SOUN a rating of buy with a hold action. Additionally, on that Wednesday, H.C. Wainwright also rated SOUN with a buy and a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding the return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $9.92 and $9.89. A breakthrough above either of these points will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 16.75%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, noted 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, also noted 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal, recorded 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, noted 81 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 67 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 380 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 3.89%. In the last week, the daily average volatility was 6.06%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even well-established companies can go through tough periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and a heightened risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. The consensus estimates from analysts stand at negative 0.06. It is essential to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $9.74. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Sroka Diana conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Marcus Lawrence also conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 23rd of May, 2025, Ball Eric R. conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stonehawker Timothy conducted an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on the 12th of May, 2025, Palm James Ming conducted an insider sale of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.157. In total, insiders purchased 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,685,217 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. stock presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Inc. will perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we expect SoundHound AI to open higher by approximately 107.10 thousandths and begin trading at $9.90. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.